What's up guys, it's Robert and you're watching Gent Style. Today I have an unboxing and review of my brand new 3 Spier Mackay sweaters. The first sweater is a polo sweater, the second one is just a basic cable knit crew neck sweater, and then the third one is really nice. It's a cable knit and it is a turtleneck. So basically in the box there was the sheet that has all the information about what the products were. For the pricing, this navy shirt, it was $68. Then this caramel colored cable knit sweater, which is something that I really like. This sweater was only $98. And then a little bit more expensive, we have a turtleneck, which was $108. And so the three of these really are pretty nice sweaters. The quality it feels very amazing. The fabric, the feel, the finish, I think is very good. And it's definitely something that I think that you might want to consider. Very nice products. And down below in the description, I do have a 20% off your first order, and it gives me $20 off your first order. It is a referral code. So if you ever want to buy something from Spier Mackay and you're a first-time buyer, please be sure to visit the link down in the description. But as far as these sweaters, I mean, I think they're really good quality. The cable knit on this one, I think specifically, is really nice. I love this caramel color. It looks very good. It's a very nice feeling material and it's very great quality. Then we have this polo, which I think is just fantastic. It's got a very soft collar. It's a little bit longer than normal, and it's something, it's their knitwear collection. It's got 3 buttons on it. It fits perfectly. I'm also going to show you guys how this stuff does fit. And then this turtleneck is something that's really kind of out of my comfort zone. I really don't wear too many turtlenecks, and so having this is really something that I think is nice. It's got the cable knit on it as well, and then the turtleneck is just a simple like rollable neck, so it's really nice. It looks very good on body, and I think that I really got a good deal on these 3 sweaters. I mean, the price is kind of so-so iffy, but you're paying for really nice quality. You're not paying for something that is just a cheap off-the-rack option. This stuff is going to fit you very well. I think the Spier Mackay is by far the best quality off-the-rack clothing in the menswear space. They offer a whole bunch of different stuff. So say if you wanted suits or shirts, you know, they all have something that is going to be within a decent budget and is going to make you look good. So kind of trying this stuff on, I wanted to do some stuff that was very simple. So the turtleneck, we have this. I thought, you know, let's keep it really simple. So I just paired the turtleneck with a simple pair of blue denim jeans. And the jeans, these are from either Old Navy or Levi, I believe, and I tailored them to make sure they fit good. Let me know down in the description if that's a video you want to see. But the cable knit sweater is very nice. It pairs very well with the jeans. So for the next outfit, we decided to use this beautiful cable knit sweater, and I'm pairing it with the suit that I'm wearing as you're seeing me speak right now. It's just an Indochino navy suit that I got a couple of years ago, about a year ago. My first made-to-measure suit. It served me pretty well. It was a good first suit. And I think it pairs very well with this caramel or caramel color, whatever you want to call it. It looks very good, and I think the sweater adds a great amount of detail to the outfit particularly. And then finally for the navy outfit, all I did was pair this with a pair of denim jeans as well. And one thing that I like about this shirt particularly is the fact that you can wear this by itself, like I'm showing you here in this outfit. It looks very good. It's very simple. It's very minimal. It gets the job done, and it really is a fantastic shirt. The feel is just amazing. I love the design and the cut of it. It really looks good, and it goes pretty much well with anything. Navy is a very versatile color. So guys, those are just a couple of ways that I would pair these with some of the items in my wardrobe. I think the most versatile one that is here is this turtleneck sweater. You can do this with the overcoat, you could do this with a jacket, you could do this by itself. It's going to look good, it's going to be amazing. And then also this cable knit, you can layer with this. This is really a good underlayering piece if that's something that you decide you want to do. Covering the 3 basic hallmarks of good quality. The fit is perfect, the fabric is perfect, and then the price is also pretty good. So these are, you know, going to be better quality and more expensive than your basic H&M sweaters, which I think is a good thing. So just keep that in mind when you go and say, oh, the price is too expensive in the comments. Really, it's a great value. In Spier Mackay, they offer a wide variety of stuff. So if you're a first-time buyer and you want something, click the link below, use the referral code that I have. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And with that being said, I'm Robert, this is Gent Style, and I will see you guys in the next video.